Control and measure pressure in your triaxial and flexible wall permeability soils testing with Karol Warner's Triaxial Permeability Control Panels. Karol Warner's Triaxial Permeability Control Panels combine precise controls, logical layout, and quality components, all within a sturdy cabinet. Air pressure controllers are located on the upper half, whereas the controls for water pressures are on the lower half of the control panel. Precision regulators set and control pressures, and zero-displacement ball valves are used for positive shutoff. Located inside each of its two storage chambers, the Karol Warner Triaxial Permeability Control Panels are two 50cc burettes with 0.1 cc graduations and two 4cc pipettes with 0.008 cc graduations. These are located inside two storage chambers, which have additional fluid capacity of 400 cc each. Filling and draining can be easily and conveniently controlled from the front panel. A bias control feature allows the user to set the effective cell pressure and increase both cell and sample back pressure by using only one regulator. Easy access air, water, vacuum, and drain connectors are located on the rear of the panel. And all connectors for the test cell are conveniently located on the front of the panel. Master panels have a factory-installed pressure readout for setting test cell and sample pressures. And with your existing master control panel, the add-on control panel allows simultaneous testing of more than one sample. Save time and increase accuracy with Karol Warner's Triaxial Permeability Control Panels. Karol Warner, proudly providing geotechnical testing equipment since 1954.